Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to do a salsa basic step tutorial. Salsa is a Latin dance and it's super fun and anybody of any age can do it. So let's go. So first we start with the left leg forward and we go step, we replace right leg in place and left leg back. Then we go right leg back, left leg replace and right leg forward. And we go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left leg forward, always 3. Right leg back, replace step. Left leg forward, replace step. Right leg back, replace step. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we add some hips, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Smiling. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Let's get back into our line. And we will try it to music. And with the hands, keep them here. Feel the music. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Smiling. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And pump, pump, pump. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job. So this is a fun dance which we can do anywhere and just learn it. Get the steps. You can rewatch the video and join us for more dance alongs and tutorials. Thank you. Bye.